So I'm gonna tape my face, so it's sort of facelifting galore. So the trick is you tape this part with the part that it's here, and you do it cross head, and this part with that part, and you cross them in the back, sort of like so. And you automatically are, I think I would say 15 years younger. 15 years younger. So all you really need is surgical tape, which you can find in any drugstore, and mastic spirit gum, which you can find in any party store, party city, you know, Halloween store, makeup store. So all you do is you take this tape in 20 centimeters stripes, 4 of them, and on the corners you put some spirit gum. And then you put spirit gums on your face before you do makeup, above the eyebrows and on your jaws. And then you put the tape on and you let it dry so it will stick, and then you put on your makeup, and when your makeup is done, your tape should be all stuck to your skin with the spirit gum, and you're ready to tie your face up. So I'm done with my makeup. It's completely done on it. The highlight on the nose is a little bit too much, but whatever. So I'm gonna tape my face, so it's sort of facelifting galore. So I'm gonna lift my face with this tape I put on my face. So it goes like this. This one lifts the eyebrow, you can see. And this one lifts the, the jawline. And then you tie those two together, and this, you take it out like so, and you tie it as hard as you can, like almost to the point where your skin is ready to burst. And that's when you know you achieve. Oh god, it hurts. Oh, another other side. So you do cross. Look at the difference. I mean, so this is an easy sort of way to lift your face. You know, you can do it with light and shadow makeup, but once you start taping, you guys, I mean, there's no stopping. You sort of become addicted to it. Ooh, ooh, I mean, look at that snatch. This is my old face, and this is my new and improved face. Oh my god, it's gotta hurt. You know, it's no sport if it doesn't. Oh man. Oh. I can hardly talk. I can hardly speak with this tape all over my face. When you hardly can talk, when you can't even move your face, that's when you know the tape, it's working its magic. It's not comfortable. It's not comfortable at all. Honestly, it's downright disgusting. But you do it, and you take your pictures, or you do your little videos, and that's about it. And then, I mean, then you need to rest your face. I mean, because your skin is stretched. So I can't believe I'm doing this. Oh. Ooh, there it goes. Look at the snatch. This is face. This is transvestite galore. Lady Alexa galore. But you feel like something's pulling your face. It's the tape, and this is how it looks from behind. Yeah, you got, I can't believe I'm showing you this. I'm gonna do some cross-dressing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's so good. Oh my god.
It's La Belle by Gaultier.
yeah, I'm gonna put out some wig and some outfits, and I'll be right back. So here I am again. Yeah, I'm taped to the gods, and I'm almost done. I'm just gonna put on my little clip earrings, my huge so this is the final look, you guys, when you tape your face.
So this is my drag, my transvestism.
Ciao.